Okay, now that we have progress bar, we can just modify the configuration through the next.config. So I'm going to show it to you, and there are a lot of use cases for this one, and we can just use it there. So let's go to next.config. So we're going just to add something very quickly here. Okay. If we're going to just add something which is available both in a server and client, so we need just to add another property here, public runtime config, and it will be something like that. And if we call it just progress spinner, and so let's go here, let's just call it show spinner because it make more sense. Exactly this one, and progress show spinner, and it will be false anyway. And so make sure just to know this one, this will be available on both server and client. And if we need something which is only available on server side, so we have to add another property, say server runtime config, which can be, for example, secret and 1, 2, 3. So, and then definitely this one is going to be available only on a server. Will be available only on the server. So I just put a comma here and there. We're going to save them, and so how can we use them? If you go to the page, we need to import the config from Nextconfig. So something we need to do, I am going just quickly here and import getConfig from the Nextconfig. GetConfig from next/config. We can just easily extract them, simple as that. So you can say server runtime config, and also public runtime config. Public runtime, if I can type runtime config, it will be get config. So get config is the one we just used there, and these two are from here, public runtime, server runtime. And in order to use them, very simple. So I'm just going to easily console log both of them. Console.log we are seeing the secret 1, 2, 3 only on a server console, but here we only see the public one. So the server runtime is just an empty one because there's nothing, and the public one is going to be shown on both server and client. So it is good. Now we can use it very simply. So public dot end progress show spinner, end progress show spinner, so that You don't need to be worried about it anymore. We know exactly everything in a config one. As I said, that's not a very good example to use the public runtime and server runtime configuration. However, that's the way we can use them.